what this stuff does. Everyone, you can't use wax on paint jobs like this. They're too far gone, okay? But this is called Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax. You can just stay there. I'm gonna put some on here. I'm gonna bring back the remaining paint job on this. This is not car wax, okay? So I don't put it on circles. You always clean it in up and down or in like this. You just clean it. There's no wax in here. All you're doing is cleaning, okay? When you clean, what you do with this is that you bring back the remaining shine. Oh, this is actually a clear coat. Wow. Okay, the reason I say it's a clear coat is because you don't see no color coming off. Okay, so the idea here is to fix the paint, bring it back to a nice, clean, smooth, and shiny state. If the hood, roof, and trunk of your car are oxidized, look hazy like this hood, then you can actually clean them and bring them back. Okay, you can wax afterwards, because if you don't wax it, I mean, look at this. Make sure I get the reflection right there. You see the reflection? Okay, so this is now 100% clean, not wax. Do a close up. So can you see the reflection of the bottle? Make sure you get that. Look at, there's no wax, because this is not wax, it's cleaner, it's paint cleaner. It's a liquid paint cleaner, okay? When you put this on, afterwards you want to seal it. This is called the Easy Sealer Wax. This you put on like wax, okay? And this stuff is awesome, man. It's really awesome. When you put this on, you work it into the paint, you let it dry. As soon as it dries up, it'll turn into a tough, glossy shell. Now this you want to leave on there for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, let it cure, and then once it dries up, come on, do a close-up. I want them to see a close-up of this. Okay, here, watch this. So I'm gonna just remove that. Look how nice and beautiful that looks. Make sure you get the refraction. You see the sky in there? Okay, so remember, if your paint job is ugly on top, but the sides look good, guys, clean it before it peels. I mean, you don't want this to happen, okay? You want to clean it when it's still nice and shiny. Okay, guys, so look us up at lukaddetail.com. Please like and subscribe. Get the word out, man. You don't have to be driving around with a paint job that's all ugly